We were just stitching out the word Pfaff in the curls font that comes with this machine. This is the 20mm size, but I want to show you how to trim your jump stitches so they look good. So what we have here is when we have a stitch that jumps from one area to the next and it's not trimmed, you need to first pull up on the thread and then push down with your curved scissors. If you don't pull up, and you just snip, you get like a little nub that's left, and that looks really, really bad. So these two are connected. So I'm going to slide my curved scissors underneath the thread, push towards the top corner here, clip, then lift with my fingers and snip. If you have trouble lifting up or the thread is too small to lift up, remember tweezers will be your next best friend. I usually don't do any trimming on the back side unless the thread is going to be in my way and it's going to be really long, like maybe there's a jump from here to here and I might catch it. But what you don't want to do is trim any of those bobbin threads back here, because remember, your threads are pulled to the back side and the knot is going to be back here. So if you clip the knot off, then these stitches are going to unravel. So mostly I just leave them. Oftentimes there's something coming over the back of your embroidery anyway, so we don't have to worry about trimming it back here. If you're concerned, you can always just cut it like right in the middle and then just let the tails hang. Maybe shorten them. Don't shorten them too much, but maybe somewhere between a ½ inch would be safe, or maybe down to a ¼ inch. That's about as much as I would go. But all in all, you just want the front to look nice and perfect when you are trimming jump stitches.